Hi, my name is Soumya. Today, I'm going to tell you a story about a small boy called Arush. Arush is very curious to learn about community helpers. Do you want to learn about community helpers along with Arush? Here we go. Community helpers. Arush is learning about community helpers in school. Who are the people who help us in the community? He asked his mother. Let us go for a walk and see, she said to him. Do you like going for walks with your mother? They went to the market. She is a vegetable seller. She helps us. What about this shop? Arush asked. This is the grocery shop. We buy things like rice, sugar, soap, and so much more from here. The shopkeeper helps us too. Have you met your grocery shopkeeper? Arush pointed at another shop and said, What are they doing? Do they help us too? This is the clothing shop. We buy our clothes from here. Yes, the cloth seller helps us too, said Mother. Arush was so happy that he met so many community helpers on his walk with his mother. Who are some community helpers you have met? I hope you enjoyed this story. See you.